Hello Scorpio, welcome to Indian 11 Tarot. This is your career, business and money weekly reading from 19th October to 25th October. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Let me tell you, like from 14th to 3rd November, 14th October to 3rd November, Mercury is retrograde, so be very careful with your financial transactions. Especially if you're doing money transfers or signing any contract or deal, So just read the papers quite a few times to avoid any mistakes. So just a suggestion. Now let's see, Scorpio, what's there for you this week. Hopefully some awesome stuff. This is Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, the Moon, Ace of Swords, the Empress, Ace of Cups. I mean, how many aces? Lot of new beginnings, feeling. Ace of Pentacles with the Ace of Swords, one after another. It seems that you are this is a double confirmation of this project that you want to start. I mean, project being successful. This is like a project where you have been waiting for some resource, suddenly you will get some money if you have been waiting for resources of any kind, or either a manpower or financial aid. So something you wanted to start, so it's a divine blessing. Somebody will come and help you with the monetary situation, or you might just get some money from somewhere you weren't expecting. So it is this is like a great card, getting financial support that you were waiting for or you were wanting, or even otherwise there could be a benefit of money for some of you here. Maybe you had worked hard earlier and you were not knowing that this an investment you made, so that is getting you good returns. So Ace of Pentacles, some good news about money, about resources is coming to you here for a project, or maybe you'll do an investment, something like that is coming. So Knight of Swords. So for some of you, Scorpio, there is a shift in there is a shift in your daily routine, or change, or relocation, or change of place. So some message or communication is coming fast, which is going to make changes in the way in your life. So some fast change is coming. Now what this change could be? It could be altogether in the way you think also. It could be the way you were working a certain style. Now you will change it for the betterment. There could be reasons for you here. It could be a physical change too. Physical change, moving places, traveling. Also it talks about some of you, like, definitely it talks about an offer coming through, a deal coming through, a business partnership coming through suddenly here, and it's a positive one. So it's a change, sudden change coming to you. But you have this Moon card here, but some of you Scorpios have some certain fears, or you are fearful of a certain situation, or you have a you are in dark about a certain situation. Either you are fearful or you are dark in your workplace, in your there is something shady going on for some of you in your business or partnership. Just beware. Do not rush into things, just go slow here. It is like the moon, when the light comes, so you get to see the reality. So when it's dark, you don't get to see the reality here. So this is like, be intuitive. If you feel anything wrong, just try to go slow and try to find out things. That is what I get in your work situation here. Your intuition will guide you here, but go slow with a certain situation. It could relate to your personal life too. What I get with this card, intuitively I'm getting with this card here. Follow your intuition, gut feeling. If you feel there is something wrong, try to find it out. If any shady deals happening, any deceit happening, somebody tricking you, all these kinds. So Moon, there could be fears, there could be a deceit, cheating, a secret. So beware of this energy here. Just be careful. Ace of Swords. So breakthrough coming for some of you here. breakthrough in a certain situation that you were stuck, regarding a money coming for some of you. If you were waiting for the news for clarity, you will get clarity so that you can move forward. This card is also about prosperity, abundance. This card is about the truth coming out, which will lead you to move forward, which will help you move forward. So Ace of Swords here. Also you will need to do with maybe some of you will be needing to deal with lawyers or publishers. That is what I get here, regarding contract, leases, or some work related for them, related to them, legal work, paperwork. So something related to, you might be visiting advocate or some legal person dealing with some legal issues. So maybe it's in your workplace, small ones, there's nothing like that, nothing major. Maybe you need to sign a lease agreement, so you need to visit an advocate. So something, paperwork, lot of paperwork to be done, and be careful with your paperwork. That is again Mercury retrograde from 14th October to 3rd November. Be very careful, read your documents, read online transactions once, twice, and only then confirm. After that you have this also is again an offer coming to you, an interview clearing, a new job, new deal. That is what I get here. The Empress, it is showing that overall growth. You will be in the Empress energy. This is your Empress energy. Empress energy is about growth, it's about abundance. You have been working hard, you have been investing well, so Empress energy is like feeling satisfied within. After that you have Ace of Cups, you will be happy with what you have achieved till now. You will look back what you have done, this year. It's almost the last quarter now. So you will be seeing that you have made certain good investments, and you have seen growth, and you can see abundance, and your cup is overflowing, like the investments have got you right returns. This is for some of you here, Empress energy with the Ace of Cups. Also with Ace of Cups, for some of you, family life is going to be very well. You will be loved, multiple times of what you will be exchanging love and care, and you will get much more in returns with this Ace of Cups here. So emotionally also feeling good. For some of you Scorpios, if you are wanting a child, a birth of a child could happen here, here. So good news for that. So here there is Ace of Pentacle card, so sudden money coming in for some of you here. Otherwise I do not see any card here. Also you could benefit from stock market, shares, that is what I get. This is sudden money, so you can, or certain, that is what it's stock market or shares. Some of you could get that that money. So this is it, Scorpio. A lot of travel here, quick travels are there, meeting people, collaboration, deals happening through the Ace of Swords. Lot of aces, new beginnings, lot of new beginnings, positively overall. So let us see, Battle of the Blues. So it shares that take steps towards positive change. So you need to take steps towards positive change. So this is it, Scorpio. If you do like my readings and it resonates with you, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.